A Filipina has won the Ford Supermodel World title for 2011. The Philippine representative Danica Magpantay has bagged the title in New York over the weekend. The victory secured for Magpantay a modeling contract with Ford models worth $250,000. She beat out top contenders from Lithuania, Poland, and Brazil, along with 30 other countries. In the largest international annual modeling competition, Magpantay is the daughter of 1990 Ford Supermodel Philippines winner Lala Flores, who is now a makeup artist, by the way. It's the Philippines' first time to win the prestigious title in 25 years. Last year, Charlene Almarvez, won first runner-up in the 2010 Ford Supermodel of the World. And of course, people are commenting about her win in the internet. The topic, the triumph of Filipina Danica Magpantay, the first Filipina to win the Ford Supermodel World title in so many years. Sarah Meyer, former supermodel and TV personality, tweets, "My dear Filipinas, take a look at Venus Raw and Danica Magpantay. Beautiful, dusky, exotic. Stop the use of whitening creams already. Go, girl." Well, not only that, she forgot the dusky, what did Sarah Meyer say? Dusky, dark, beautiful, and let me add this, very, very skinny. Now, Tori Brewer also extends her congratulations to Danica. She advises Danica to stay humble. God will bless you even more, she says. God gave you the opportunity for a reason. Danica's mother, Lala Flores, is also very ecstatic, of course, about the victory, as she shared the news through Twitter. She said, "You made us proud." All right, that was it. You made us proud. And finally, the official Twitter account of Ford Models has this to say: "There will be a formal announcement about the Supermodel of the World winner Danica on the Ford Models blog on Monday, U.S. time zone. Stay tuned." I hope we have her on the show.
Iba po, nagkaroon po ng contest sa iba't ibang bansa. Pero ang pinadala lang po, yung 5 pong finalists. So yung mga 5 po, kaming 5 lang po ang lumipad dito. Tapos kaming 5 po yung naglag.
So sa lahat, ilang ba bilang ng mga sumali dyan sa Supermodel of the World?
Hindi ko po yun
hindi mo alam. Okay.
Pero yung totoong count po.
Paano yung pag-aaral mo sa UP?
Nag-hold po ako sa UP, sa Fine Arts. Sa ngayon po, natapos ko nga pong high school, tapos first time nga po, nag-leave po ako. Since parang hindi naman po laging dawadaan ng ganitong opportunity.
Okay.
Parang grinab ko po siya. Mag-iipon po ako, tapos hopefully makakaaral po ako dito sa New York.
Sa New York.
Tapos makakuha ng diploma dito.
So, Danica, part ba ng contract, magmo-model ka dyan sa New York? Diyan ka muna magbe-base?
Opo.
At meron ka na bang assignment o modeling job na ibinigay sa iyo yung organizer?
Sa ngayon po, bukas dito sa New York, aayusin yung mga yun po, yung final signing po and all that. Kaya po, excited lang po talaga ako na magawa po.
Okay, modeling job mo yan at $200,000 yan mahigit, ano? So, ano yun, cash ba yan o talaga mahahawakan mo yan? Milyon yan?
Opo.
Wow.
Worth po siya ng trabaho. 250,000 na worth ng trabaho po.
Isang taon yun?
Isang taon po.
1 year yun. Okay. Anong mensahe mo sa mga kababayan mo na tuwan-tuwa ngayon sa pagkapanalo mo, Danica?
Maraming salamat sa support nila kasi at sa lahat na naniniwala sa akin. Maging masaya lang tayo at maudlat. Tapos, ibigay natin lahat para kay God. Kasi kung hindi talaga kay God, hindi posible lahat nangyayari. Tapos magdasal lang tayo lagi.
Okay. Good luck at mag-ipon ka, ha?
Thank you.
Okay. Salamat din sa pagbibigay karangalan sa bansa natin.
Salamat.
Danica Flores Magpantay po, 2011 Ford Supermodel of the World.